What's up, core crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I create my Instagram stories, creative ways to just make fun Instagram stories that people want to watch. So if you would like to see these tips, then definitely keep watching. If this is your first time seeing me here, or if you're just not a part of the core crew family already, make sure that you subscribe down below, turn on your post notifications, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're already a part of the core crew family, then welcome back, sis. Let's get into today's video. So today I'm going to go through a bunch of different tips and tricks for you guys to make creative and aesthetically pleasing Instagram stories. The first tip is definitely to use what Instagram gives you all. Maybe you don't take full advantage of what you already have. Before I go into the other apps I use, I feel like you can definitely do with what you have if you don't want to go and buy more apps, you know what I'm saying? So the first thing that I will say is use filters. Instagram has so many different filters, so many, that just take your Instagram to the next level. And I'll just slide over so I can have my screen recorder right here. So the first one that I really love, just because of the way that it looks, the first one is Super 8mm. It's just perfect. So let me show you. When I'm trying to do like a product shot or something, it just makes it so freaking pretty. What I'll do is just take a quick picture of this and then show you guys what I would do to take it to the next level. What I would do here is probably type skincare, and I would put it in this really pretty font. This is one of my favorite ones just because it looks so elegant and crisp. And then I'll probably put routine. I like to switch up my fonts. Some people don't like to, but I do. And I just feel like it adds something. So I'll probably do like this, make sure it's centered. And then when you think of skincare, you think of clean. So maybe I'll put in clean, just so I can get some bubbles. And this is so freaking cute. Okay, that's so cute. Okay, so this already takes my thing up 10 notches. And then let's see if Fenty Skin has any GIFs. Yay! Okay, so this is Fenty Skin. I don't see the tone. Oh, here it is. So look, and I can add that. And this already takes this boring photo to the next level just by adding a filter, adding text, adding GIFs, just to make things fun and light for your viewer to look at. That's one of my favorite Instagram story filters, but honestly, you can find so many different Instagram story filters. There's something for everyone, and you can find like your favorite one, stick to it, and make it a part of your brand. Definitely just use what Instagram already gives you with using and taking full advantage of their different filters, using their different fonts, using their GIFs on there, using their stickers when it applies and if it's relevant to the story that you're putting up. And yeah, I think that just adds so much to your Instagram story, and you might not think to just add different GIFs and different fonts to your Instagram to make it more aesthetically pleasing. But with just adding those few things, it took a boring picture to the next level. So the second tip for you all is to use outside apps. There's so many outside apps that you might not be aware of that can take your Instagram stories to the next level. So for me, I like to do Music Mondays on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, it's the same as my YouTube name. It's at Courtney Janine. Definitely give me a follow. Definitely keep up with me over there, because when I'm not posting here, I'm posting on there. I'm always on my Instagram stories. I'm always posting something. Follow me on Twitter too. But anyways, every Monday, literally, I put together a playlist of what I'm currently listening to. Sometimes I skip Mondays just because I don't like to force it. Like if I don't find new music and I'm just listening to the same music, I don't want to just push something out when I'm not really a fan of the music. So sometimes you might not get a Music Monday, but I'm pretty consistent with it. And every Monday I put together a quick maybe 10 to 15 song playlist of songs that I'm currently listening to, and I like to share it on my Instagram story, and then at the end link to full playlist, which can be accessed on Spotify and Apple Music. I always get questions on how I put together my Music Monday stories, and today I'm giving you the secrets, okay? It ain't me, y'all. It's a whole app. It's called Unfold, and it's literally the best thing ever. I'm so glad I found it. I don't know how I found it. You know what? You know where I found it from? I found it from one of my influencer friends. Her name is Alyssa May. Definitely check her out on Instagram because she posted like a really pretty story one day, and it was using this app, and I asked her, and she was like, oh, it's just Unfold. And I was like, okay, let me do that. Let me do that. So I'm gonna show you guys the background scenes of me doing my Music Monday. Here's a sample from the past of what I've done, and this is literally so easy to make. All I do is put in the artist pictures. The templates come with the app. So let me show you, for example, this is from their, is it their scrapbook? No, I think it's from their journal. Yeah, so this is actually their journal template. I take it from here and I just put in my own pictures. I put in my own text, and then you get from that boring template, well, it's not even boring. You take that template and make it into a story that fits your aesthetic. There's so many different templates that you can choose from. I like journal too. I like the digital ones. I really like the paper and the film just because I like the aesthetic, and sometimes I'm not always doing my Music Mondays the same. I like to switch up templates from time to time. Whenever I get kind of bored, I like to switch it up, and it's still so easy. And this doesn't have to be, you don't have to do it for Music Monday. You can do it for a number of different things. This is also where I put together my YouTube promotion. So basically I just take a classic, which one is it? Okay, so all I do is take Classico #1. It comes with 3 different boxes, and all I'll do is just put in my thumbnail first on 2, and then I'll put a little brief trailer video in the middle just so that people have something to watch and that they can kind of look to. And then I'll save this to my device, and then I'll post it right on Instagram. I did not do anything but plop in some pictures and videos into this template. And what I'm saying is, you do not have to use this template, but what I'm saying is that Unfold has a number of different templates for you to choose from in order to get the desired look that you want. So Unfold is definitely one of my biggest secrets with my Instagram story, and I love it so much because it makes it look like I took 10 years on an Instagram story, but I didn't. I literally just popped in pictures and videos into their own ready-made templates, and then I have a stellar story. So that's the first app. The second app is it's similar to Unfold because it does have a lot of different templates that you can choose from, but it also has animation, which makes it so cool and so like eye-catching because it has that movement that catches people's eyes. I love Unfold and Mojo, and sometimes I use them both together, where I'll take a template from Unfold that's stationary and put it into Mojo, add some moving text so that it gives something for the viewer to look at. Those are the 2 apps that I use. I love Unfold and I also love Mojo just because they make my Instagram stories look like I took forever to work on them, but I didn't. I took like maybe 5 seconds. Okay, you guys, and those are my top tips to having a stellar Instagram stories. First, you have to make sure that you're using everything that Instagram already provides you. You have to make sure that you're using the filters. Make sure that you're using the different types of fonts. Make sure that you're including relevant GIFs to your story. And second, use outside apps to make your life so much easier. Check out Unfold, check out Mojo, or do your own research and find the type of apps that suit you. But that's it for today's video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you learned something today, or even if you didn't, make sure you give it a like if you like these types of techie or tips types of videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.